looking for someone like me.
This is the entry to the hotel and the lobby. Hello everyone, this is your author AuthorSheilaD, and I hope you all are having a blessed day. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and welcome. If you are returning to my channel, thank you so much for your support with much love. Today I am in Orlando, Florida to continue celebrating my birthday, my 50th birthday. And so I'm going to give you a room tour, and here we go. And this is the hotel room at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites. And this is the restroom when you first walk in. And that's the shower, isn't that nice? Okay, and then you come in and there's a little closet area. They have a little safe, iron board. And then they have a little coffee section and the microwave. And a little storage area and a refrigerator. Nothing in it, of course. And then they have the little, I guess, sitting area. They got this beautiful art. And guys, I do have my best friend and my oldest daughter here with me, but they don't want to be seen on camera. This is the, I guess, like the little closet where you can put your little stuff. And then we got 2 queen beds. And then that's the little sitting area where I guess like a desk, we can do whatever you want to do, watch TV. And dressers if you want to put some of your clothes out there. And then this is the view from where we are. Okay, that concludes my video. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below of the type of hotel that you like to live in whenever you go on vacation or celebrating your birthday or whatever. Also, you're welcome to share this video if you like, but most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a blessed day.